My channel has been doing really well, and I want to do a free giveaway to one of you lucky YouTube viewers to give back to you and show you just how much I'm thankful for your support. In this video, we're going to go over the rules for the giveaway, where one lucky viewer is going to get a free 3-ply stainless steel 8-quart stock pot. It was recently featured in one of my videos where I gave you guys a guide to cooking pots for new beginners. So stick around for more details. Let's get started. Alright, so here's the stock pot. This is the Duxtop 3-ply 8-quart stainless steel stock pot that you guys recently saw in my guide to cooking pots video for new beginners. It's the same exact stock pot in that video. I actually bought two of them, one for the review and one to give away. So I've been planning this giveaway for a while. I just didn't know how I wanted to do it. Like I said in the intro, I wanted to give back to you, the fans, and of course, I wanted to be beneficial for both my channel and for you guys, the viewers. I wanted it to be interactive. So we'll get to the rules in a second, but let's talk about this stock pot. It's a Duxtop 3-ply 8-quart stainless steel stock pot. This thing is amazing. It's actually my best buy in that video. I really like this stock pot because it's heavy duty. It's going to last you forever. It's going to be something that you're going to be able to give to your kids and pass down from generation to generation. And the best part is it's not that cheap welded disc bottom stainless steel that you typically see. This is a one-piece manufactured 3-ply stainless steel pot, and it's completely ready for your stovetop, whether you have a gas, electric, or induction stovetop. And I think an 8-quart is the most practical and most useful size for your kitchen. You'll be able to make anything you want in this pot. So it's brand new and completely sealed. I think it's valued at $65 or $70, but one lucky viewer is going to get it for free. I didn't want to do this primarily as a means to just get more views or get more subscribers. Now, yes, of course, it's mutually beneficial for both of us. One of you lucky viewers are going to get a free item, and hopefully in return, my channel grows a little bit more, and hopefully our community on this channel continues to grow and collaborate. So that's kind of my main focus, is not only do I want to give something away and get new viewers and subscribers, but I also want to keep that collaboration. First things first, there's some legal stuff that we have to go through. YouTube is not involved at all in any way, shape, or form with this giveaway. This giveaway is entirely done by me and me only. I am the sole person that's conducting this giveaway. So YouTube is not affiliated at all or sponsoring this. Duxtop is not sponsoring this. This is coming out of my own money, my own pocket, and I'm giving it away to you, the viewer, and that's basically it. So now that we got legal out of the way and you know that this is entirely on me and no one else is involved, let's talk about the rules. Everybody's gonna have an equal opportunity. All you gotta do is subscribe to my channel, like this video, and in the comments below, let me know what you love about cooking. What motivates you to cook every day? How efficient are you in the kitchen? What are your struggles? What is it that you really want to focus on and get better at? And if you'd like, I'd love for you guys to share some of your favorite meals, your favorite dishes, and just in general, your comfort level and skill set with cooking. So for example, I'll start first. I love to cook because I love taking multiple ingredients that individually may not be very delicious, but combining them into one amazing meal and then feeding that to my loved ones and my friends and family. Sharing our life experiences, our joys, our struggles around that dinner table and enjoying a great meal. So that's what I love about cooking. I love the excitement of taking the ingredients together and learning something new. Cooking is not easy. I find it sometimes challenging, but extremely rewarding. It's funny because I'm not really a sweets person, but I do like them from time to time. Now I can cook a really good cheesecake, but that's all I know. I can't even make cookies. I can't even bake cookies. So that's really my weakness, and I kind of want to step it up going forward. So shoot me your comments below. I will read through all the comments, and I'm gonna filter out the ones that I think are just, showing up for a free pot. For example, if you comment here or free pot or something, I'm just going to disqualify you. I'm going to take those comments and we're going to randomly pick one lucky winner. and that person's gonna get contacted by me. I'm gonna ask you guys for your address, and I'll ship off the stainless steel 8-quart pot for you, and I hope you really do enjoy it. Now, as an added bonus, I'm gonna leave you a private note in the box when I ship out the pot to you, replying to your comment. And hopefully I can answer some of your questions or just give you some inspiration and some advice. And if you guys really think about it, I can't tell if you're actually subscribed to my channel or not, or if you even liked the video. So really, it all depends on your comments below. So technically, this giveaway isn't necessarily focused on getting more likes or subscribers. It really all depends on your comments, but I do hope that you like the video and subscribe to my channel. And I guess that's okay, because ultimately, collaborating with you guys and building a genuine bond where we can talk and hopefully you guys enjoy my videos and we can collaborate and just become better cooks together means more to me. So check out the description below for the full details, the rules. If you guys have any questions, just let me know. But basically, yeah, leave a comment below, like, subscribe. Around a month and a half, I'll let you guys know ahead of time. And for that week's video, I will announce the lucky winner. But that's basically it. So thanks again. And in advance, whoever wins the 8-quart stainless steel cooking pot, I hope you enjoy it. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care, everybody. Hey, everybody. How'd you guys like that last video? Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you get notified on my next video. And if you can, please share with your family and friends. I would really appreciate it. Here's some more content that I think you guys are really gonna enjoy. Check them out. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care.